VITAC 2025. This is the exhibition hall 3.1, and we're going to check the exhibitors. I'm going to show you the names. Firstly, welcome to my channel, and your support is really appreciated by me. That one is Beigi, B-E-I-G-I. Okay, this hall is for valve, pipe, and fitting. Okay, valve, V-A-L, I can't see it, V-L-V-E. And that one is Yangchao, Y-A-N-G-C-H-A-O. Most of them are the domestic ones. A-M-U-R-S-O-N from Zhejiang. You can see 3, hall 3. Lianke, L-I-E-N-K-E, valve. Yeah, I just pause for a while when my camera focuses on the logo, so you can jot it down quickly. If you are looking for this kind of suppliers, this is the best option to find them here. That one's from Zhejiang. I can't see the name. It's a small one. Zhejiang Bear Valve. Bear, B-E-A-R. What about that one? From Shanghai. H valve. Hopefully this pronunciation is correct. This is the keyword, valve. Jindapeng, G-I-N-D-A-P-E-N-P-E-N-G, Jindapeng. From, okay, I can't see the city. NDV. S-E-R-O. Singer. Yeah, I'm in charge of that booth. They have displayed the products already. Yeah, we've done a good job. This one is pretty eye-catching, you can say. Our designer has used his best to make a nice proposal so everyone can see it from the long distance. They're pretty happy. I don't have anything better to do now because everything's done. S-E-R-O X-I-N-G-Y-U. Okay, let's go along the aisle, Moon aisle. Valve, pipe, and fitting on the sign. So when you visit a trade fair, you have to find the keywords first. Otherwise, you will run into a wrong hall, a wrong venue. It's a waste of your time, you know. Remember, you must be clear before you enter the hall. Okay? Don't waste your time because your time is pretty precious. You can imagine normally a fair just lasts for 3 days, even 2 days. You have to cherish your time. So that is why I suggest you look at the sign first. Look at the catalog first. Exhibitor list. There's a lot of information regarding the exhibitors. Then you can run into the correct place. Okay, I've told you most of them are the domestic ones. And that one's C-H-E-L-I-C. CHELIC. If you can't find this kind of companies on Google, you can type the keyword. Don't forget to type the keyword valve. XBURS. The website is exactly the same like the company's name. That is pretty easy for suppliers, for the customers to find it. I think that is pretty nice. You can say the name and the website is exactly the same, or exactly the same. DESN. That is the HOP 4.1. It's pretty similar. I've been there already. So there isn't a lot of big players, but it's quite influential for this industry, I think. Okay, when I see the logo, I just pause for a while. You can make a note. You can pause. If you want to find this company, you can pause. That is a piece of equipment. It's huge. Let's go to that way. Okay guys, if you like this video, just give me a like. Thank you very much for your time and for your support. Your support is the encouragement for me to carry on this video shooting cause. I haven't got any perks or bonuses yet, but I'm trying my best. Your support is indispensable for me. I hope you can give me a like, even add a comment here. Thank you very much. Bye bye everyone. See you.